Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I want to go over why I'm getting rid of my EcoBoost Mustang after only 2 years and 2 months of ownership. So it wasn't anything bad. I just wanted to show you guys a quick little walk around in case you guys are new to the channel. It's a base with a 101A upgrade package. I did do a little bit of modifications like my aftermarket spoiler back there. Velocity blue, I did do some nice window tint. And this one does have the active exhaust. This is a 2019, but the reason why I got rid of it is strictly because of how hot the used market is right now. So let's go ahead and hop inside and go for a drive. All right guys, let's set off. So like I mentioned earlier, the used car market, if you guys have been paying attention or know anything about what's going on right now, due to the chip shortage and everything, there being kind of a shortage of new cars, and with the virus and all that stuff, used cars have been going for a high dollar. So just out of curiosity, I wanted to put my car up on Carvana just to see what they'd offer. Just because I know Carvana usually gives pretty decent offers. So I put my car up and they gave a really good offer. And I was thinking of taking that, but I ended up doing something instead, and I do have another car purchased. I'm just waiting to take delivery, and I want you guys to leave your guesses in the comments below as to what I got for my new car replacement for this one. So I brought up that offer to a certain dealership, and they got really close to that offer as far as like trading this car in. I know the car market won't always be as hot as it is right now, so I thought I'd take an opportunity to jump on it and upgrade to a different vehicle. For example, I put my car on Carvana about a year ago, just out of curiosity, and they offered about about $4,000 less than what it's worth now. So that just goes to show you how my car has gone up in value that much, and this is with like 6,000 or however how many miles more I have now, and after owning the car for 2 years and 2 months. So I think you guys will like the replacement vehicle. By the way, I am open to all brands. I love all vehicles as long as they're fun to drive and look cool and everything like that. So that's why I want you guys to guess down below. But I am going to do a few more videos with my EcoBoost before I trade it in, because I still have a couple videos I want to do. For example, I want to do a exhaust, like a comprehensive exhaust video. I've done a few like little flybys and cold start and stuff like that, but I want to do a comprehensive exhaust video like I did with the Mach 1. If you guys haven't seen that, do check it out. Just so I can see what it sounds like and everything. And then also, since I'm gonna have to flash my car back to stock, I wanna do a comparison test between how it is with the Pro Tune versus a completely stock EcoBoost. So I feel like that'd be really interesting for you guys, you know, wanting to maybe Pro Tune your EcoBoost, seeing how big of an increase you can get. And by the way, I do still have the intercooler. I'm gonna leave that on there because it wasn't that expensive to begin with. It was only like 300 something. And it still has really good results. It's like the best bang for your buck I could ever think of. But I'm gonna leave that on there because it's too much of a hassle to take that back off, because you have to take off the bumper and all that, and I'm not mechanically inclined, so I'd have to pay someone to do that. So it's not worth it for me. By the way, I do still have my stock intercooler, so if you guys live in the Vegas or Henderson area and you want to buy a stock EcoBoost intercooler, not sure why you'd want that, but if you do, I have it for sale. Just let me know on Instagram and we can talk on there. Also, I have my Cobb access port. I'm gonna have that going up for sale as well. Again, hit me up on Instagram if you want to see more about that, because obviously my new vehicle won't be able to use this, so I am going to sell it. But yeah, this car, like as far as ownership experience and everything, it's been fantastic. I did have to do a timing cover reseal or whatever because it started seeping oil, but that was the only thing in my 27,000 miles that I actually had an issue with. Everything else has been perfect. Even with the tune, it hasn't, you know, left you stranded or acted weird, anything like that. The 10-speed is a little bit jerky, but that's kind of how it always was. It's more smooth on the stock tune than it is with my Pro Tune, even though it goes through all the gears. Definitely stay tuned for a few little closing videos I want to do on the EcoBoost. I did really like having this and being able to experience it, but we're off to bigger and better things, and I think you guys will like the replacement. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I just want to keep you guys in the loop. I'll be comparing it to the new vehicle and everything like that. So stay tuned for those videos, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.